Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for Lockyer.com. Now, once you're here, you can sign up with Google or type in your work email manually. After that, click on Get Started for free. But if you already have an account, click on the Login button. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Zapware homepage. Now here, on the left side of the screen, click on the plus icon Create. Click Zaps. Now in here, you have to set up your trigger to start the connection. Click on Trigger. Type in Microsoft To Do on the search bar. Click on it. Now on the right side of the screen, you have to fill in some sections in here. For the trigger event, click on it. Click on New Task. Then connect your account. After that, click on Continue. Now in here, you need to select the specific list in Microsoft To Do. Click on List. A drop-down menu will appear. Then click on Task. Then click Continue. Then click on Task Trigger. Wait for it to load. Just click Continue to proceed to the second action. Now in here, click the Google Calendar. If you can find it, you can type it in the search bar. Now let's proceed to activate the trigger of the Google Calendar. Now click on the action event, scroll down and click on the create detailed event. Now sign in your account again. After signing in your account, click on continue. Now in here, you need to fill in the sections regarding your Google Calendar. Make sure to complete these sections so you can continue to connect the Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. Now, once you fill up all the sections in here, click on Continue. Now, click on the test step. The test step will verify Zaps if everything is set up correctly. Now, once it is set up correctly, a Publish button will appear. Just click on Publish and that's it. That's how you connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.